Hello there and welcome to the first lesson for this training, life skills. Our first lesson is all about occupational alternatives. So when I read this one in alternatives, sa to pa pwede sila mobiya sa pagka-maestra kay magkuha sila lain nga profession or career. So for the purpose of operational definition, ato sang pwede sigurong tagonog occupational augmentative. Meaning to say, i-augment. Kaya kung naanak ka ng imong teaching career, exist na siya, this could possibly be something that maka-augment, makadugang. No? Not really alternative. Because pag may kang alternative, mubiya gid ka sa pagtudlo, kay mo embark ka sa lain nga career. Okay, this lesson has 3 parts. The first one, like I said, kinahanglang sequential ang imuhang pag-follow he or pag-perform. So you click 1A, and then when you're done with 1A performance tasks, and that is 25 points or 20 ba, then you go to 1B, and after that, you go to 1C, which in each one, you got 20 points, okay? Now, sa introduction, you will have to learn new words over there. Because when you talk about occupational alternative, like I said, it is a kind of another occupation or lain ng trabaho na pwede nimong mabuhat. And if we're talking about business, unsa pwede nimo nga manegosyo. Okay? So introduction, there are words that you need to be familiar with sa linya sa business. So there's an output that you need to perform right there, which means get the, like what's the concept note all about? What are these words? What are the meaning of this? And then in your own words, you have to make a self video and then you have to explain it in your own words. Ha? Ay mag copy paste sa kung unsay naa dito sa Webster's Dictionary. Ay na maglisod-lisod. Go, pag may yung gani unsay meaning ani, go to the internet and then try to search unsay meaning sa kaning word 1, 2, and 3, etc. And then try to, pag may yung ganing definition, it means to say operational meaning. So also look into what does this mean sa imuhang context. Okay, so kinahanglan kung unsa imong matun-an na gini para sa imuha. Okay, after the introduction, then you have the output, then you send it, i-submit nimo sa USTP portal, and you also send it sa messenger o sa email para sure lang ta nga na ay mag-abot gid sa ako. Then you click 1B, and over 1B it says self-assessment. Now, before you do anything else, how will you know kung unsa di ay ang pwede nimo alternative kung magtagna-tagna lang ka? There's a test in 1B that you will take, and I'm serious about this one, that will assess unsa day ang pwede nga career para sa imo base sa imong personality. So there are a lot of careers that pwede mong choices. And I want you to pick out 3, and there's an explanation, and there's a guide over there sa imuhang, sa lesson guide kung what are you going to talk about sa imuhang isubmit na sa nga performance tasks. Okay? Again, pag medyo maglisod gani ka, ay gyud ka ulaw, send the message sa ako sa messenger, Max Ash, with the icon nga career path. Right, now, after ka mag-submit ato, again, submit ka sa portal, mag-submit ka sa messenger, mag-submit ka sa email. When you're done with 1B work, confirmation, don't forget the confirmation. Messenger gid ang pinaka-easiest way kaya dali i-access bahalag bisag asa pa ta. And then, click 1C. After sa 1C, there's the application now. Now, kini sa application, because you're going to use this once in your klase. Now, kung elementary itong isgutan, you can't have the elementary pupils take that test that you are taking. You are being asked to take that one because this training is supposed to be for you to acquire skills para magtudlo ka sa elementary, and at the same time for you to discover if you have the it for business. All right? So, imong buhaton karon, i-adapt nimo to ang test. You will pick out, let's say, about 10 questions baka for the elementary. Usually, pag elementary ni siya nga ALS, this will be like 4, 5, 6. So they can answer questions like 1 to 10. Nga pag mag-exam na sad sila, pag binisaya in town, kaya di na sila kasabot o mag-English sa dito straight. So it's okay nga magbinisaya ka. I-interpret nimo and then ipadungan nimo sila og test. By that, like ang atong mabatan-on karon kinahanglan sila giyahan kung asa sila magpaing kung unsa. Atong trabaho mga teachers in this generation is that dili kita magtudlo sa ila sa knowledge because isa ra ka click sa ilang kamot mas bright sila sa atua. But what our role is, kita to take filter asa sila magpaingon. They even teach us more than we can teach them. We have to admit that one. Okay? Now, balik ta sa atong hisgutan. Mag-adapt ka, magkuha kag 10 questions, i-adapt nimo sa level nila nga 4, 5, 6. And then you ask them, and then you let them write. I'm talking about kung i-actual na nimo kung ikaw na dito sa classroom. No? And then you let them speak. Kung wala kay internet and all, you just have to let them like write it down and then memorize it and then mag-adto sa tubangan, mag-istorya sila. That's how you do it because you need to build their communication skill. And the only way to build your communication skill is to practice speaking by yourself, like what I'm doing right now. You will be doing a lot of this thing, like talking in front of the camera. By the end of the training, may laki na kaya mo, you can have your own blogs and you can make money out of it. And shoot me an email kung gusto mo kakwartaan na through your YouTube channel. Okay? Now, after ana sa inyong kanang sa 1C, nag-upload ko dito sa lesson plan kini, ang lesson plan ani nga lesson karon ninyo. I also uploaded the other lesson plan or the activity sheet number, I think that's 18 or something. Which what you need to do is kung giyon sa ni paghatag ni nga lesson, you will do the same. You will make a lesson plan sa 18. Therefore, by the end of the training, na kay lesson plan for other nga mga lessons nga wala na take up din. And then you can just, like, kung asang style imong gusto, pwede naman i-apply na dito sa lain-lain ng mga activity sheets. Okay, now go ahead. Work on the 1A, 1B, and 1C for session 1. I'll see you